Welcome back. Rajendra Naik, a linesman from Khola Kankon, died a tragic death after coming in contact with high-tension wire at Asolna. This incident occurred at around 2:45 p.m. when Rajendra was attending a call. He had climbed up an electricity pole to check the fault and tragedy pounced upon him. He is survived by his wife and 2 children. Post-mortem of Rajendra's body will be conducted at Hospicio.
Rajendra Naik, aged 31 years and a resident of Khola Morare Kankon, died due to electrocution at Asolna on Tuesday afternoon. He was attending a complaint call and had climbed the electricity pole. He climbed further as he could not locate the fault, but unfortunately came in contact with a high-tension wire. He died on the spot. Rajendra is survived with his wife, 2 kids, a father and a brother, and was the only bread earner for the family. People were upset with the fire brigade and police officials at the site.
Accident जालो 13 वरांचेर आणि फायर ब्रिगेड येयले आतां 7:04 आणि आमगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटू तेज भुरगे भायर काडे ह्या भुरग्याक वयर पडले तेका जाल्यार आमगे गव्हर्मेंट कोत कितें तुमी म्हाका सांगाय गव्हर्मेंट आहा हुंय एक फायर ब्रिगेड आहा साउथ गोवाकू एक फायर ब्रिगेड इट टेक्स 1 hour टू कम फ्रॉम मारगांव टू आसोलना म्हाका सांगाय
थंय मरण आशिल्लो हांगा खोला शिरोटी म्हणटा थंय कळ्ळें आनी एक आज आमच्या गांवांत 2 मरण जाल्लीं दोनूय मरण करून लास्ट मरणा थंय आशिल्लो सादारण थंय आमकां फोन आयलो ताची बॉडी लासून जायना फुडें तरी पूण आमी थंयच्यान 30-40 किलोमिटर हांगा पावले तरी पूण फायर ब्रिगेड ना आनी जो पळय जेई आशिल्लो तो सायडी वचून आशिल्लो आनी पुलीस जो आशिल्लो तो म्हाका दिसता सोरपिलो आसलो म्हाका दिसता आनी तो फक्त मोबायलाचेरच कॉन्टेक्ट करतालो आनी तांच्यान कसलीच तेंगेली हें ना कित्याक त्या भुरग्याक काडपा खातीर कोणाचेच प्रयत्न नासले फक्त फायर ब्रिगेड रावतले आनी कांयच ना आनी फायर ब्रिगेड म्हाका दिसता येवन बसून कांयच फायदो जालो ना लास्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटीची गाडी मडगांवच्यान खंयच्यान तरी आयली आनी ती बॉडी सकयल काडली.
Later, the body was brought down. His body was transported to Hospicio at Madgaon by police van. Post-mortem will be conducted at Hospicio. A reporter from Asolna, Samir Bhatt.
The villagers of Batkunimal and Mayana Kavre have decided to halt mining traffic until the general manager of Batigal Iron Ore mine meets them and fulfills their demand. Villagers had allowed this mine company to restart its activity on condition of even compensation for each and every affected person. Kavrekars will block the trucks until the mine company fulfills its commitment.
Advocate Suhas Velip told us in detail why Kavrekars blocked the trucks and halted the mining traffic on Tuesday.
आता 4 महिने पयलीं न्ही मायन मॅग्नम मायन म्हणटा ती 4 महिने बंद आशिल्ली कावऱ्यान सो तेंच्यांनी मागीर बंद जालें म्हणून तेंच्यांनी आतां मॅनेजर मायन मॅनेजर सगळे येयले रिक्वेस्ट केली कावरे लोकां वाड्यार देवळा कडेन येयले सगळे आयले आनी मिटींग घेतली आनी ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉमेस केलो 4 महिने पयलीं आतां ऑक्टोबरान 30 ऑक्टोबर ना आनी तेमी ट्रान्सपोर्ट सोडटा तेन्ना लोकांक अंडरटेकींग दिल्ली की जे आतां आमचे गांवांत जितकें लुकसाण जालां उदक पिड्ड्यार जालां तेंचें लोकांचे मिरसांगो पिड्ड्यार जाल्या लोकांची शेतां पिड्ड्यार जाल्या लोकांची झाडां पिड्ड्यार जाल्या सगळें कांयच जायना ताका लागून एक कंपेन्सेशन म्हणून तेंच्या कडेन आमी मागिल्लें एवरी मंथ तुमी गांवच्या लोकांनी लुकसाणी जाला पळय ती कंपेन्सेशन म्हणून दिवचें गांवाक सगळ्या लोकांक सगळे ईच एंड एवरी हावस कळ्ळें न्ही सो तेंच्यांनी कितें अंडरटेकींग दिलो येस म्हटलें पूण आयज 4 महिने जाले आयज जानेवारी जाली आतां एंड ऑफ द जानेवारी जाली पूण आयज तक तेंच्यांनी गांवांक एक 4 आनी सुद्दां लोकांक एकट्याक सुद्दां दिवंक ना.
Villagers have demanded an assurance from the general manager of the Bategal iron ore mine. They want their demands to be fulfilled at the earliest. Villagers were camping at the company gate for justice. Even police had an interaction with the upset villagers.
मिटींग घेतली राती सकाळी आयले आनी गेटी रावले मेन आनी मॅनेजराक आपयलो मॅनेजर येवपाक रेडीच ना आमकां मेन गेटी रावले हांगा फाटल्यान आनी तो जाण मॅनेजर आयले ते तुगे रिक्वेस्ट करून आयले एक अर्दे वर 1 वर तरी आमकां तेंच्यांनी हांगा बेश्टो हें केलो उबो करून बेश्टो दवरिल्लो आमी म्हटलें तुमचें मायन जनरल मॅनेजर आसा पळय मिस्टर झाक आपयचो जनरल मॅनेजर मिस्टर झाक आपयचो आमच्या कडेन सगळें कितें तें उलोवपाचें आनी सेटलमेंट मिटींग करून तेन्ना तुमी तो पर्यंत ट्रान्सपोर्ट शॉर्टर बी सगळें कितें आहा मायन सद्या बंद दवरिची आनी जो पर्यंत सेटलमेंट जायना गांवची जो पर्यंत ज्या कडेन मिटींग जायना आनी कितें उलयना तो पर्यंत ट्रान्सपोर्ट बंद जावपाचो.
A reporter from Kavre, Mayur Naik.
Former Power Minister Nirmala Sawant announced her candidature from Kumar Zuve constituency on Tuesday. She says that she will contest as an independent candidate. Sawant claims support of BJP, MGP and GVP. The former Power Minister has also raised the issue of bogus voting cards in Kumar Zuve.
Former Minister Nirmala Sawant held a press briefing on Wednesday. When questioned about the development of the Kumarswamy constituency, Nirmala Sawant preferred to be mum. She named the 4 political parties which have assured to back her.
By BJP, MGP,
MGP.
Goa Vikas Party, and UDP to support me.
So you are contesting independent.
तुमकां कितें दिसता कुंभारल्यान कितें विकास जाला जावं ना
उलयना
प्रॉमिस केला सपोर्ट करता ह्या पार्टीनी
Yes, they have told me. Perhaps they not officially, actually I cannot declare what is there in my mind. But since they have told me,
She has also raised issue of bogus voters' names in the voters list.
खुबूच बोगस नांवां इन्क्लूड जाल्लीं आसा. पार्ट नंबर 31 तर 434/4 ह्या घरांत 47 नांवां घाल्लीं आसा आनी ती वेगवेगळ्या धर्माची, वेगवेगळ्या जातीची आनी वेगवेगळ्या स्टेटींतले आयिल्ले आसा. हाजे वयल्यान आमकां दिसता हें व्हडलें नॅशनल इंटेग्रेशनच ह्या एका घरान जाल्लें आसा काय कितें. आनी हेंच एक आमकां सांगपाचें आसा की ही जी नांवां केल्लीं आसा ती कायदेशीर नांवां इन्क्लूड केल्लीं ना.
A reporter from Panji, Omkar Falari.
A two-wheeler was found in a nalla at Borda, Madgaon on Monday. Some clothes with blood stains were also found at the nalla side. This has raised suspicion in the minds of people. Madgaon police are investigating the case.
A two-wheeler was found in a nalla in Borda, Madgaon on Monday. The bike bears a registration number GA01Q6672. Sources say this bike is from Mapsa area. A t-shirt with blood stains was also found along the nalla side. This has raised suspicion in the minds of the people. Fire brigade and Madgaon police inspected the site, but don't have any clue as yet. Moreover, the side wall of the nalla is damaged. The doubts have been raised that it may be a self-accident, hit and run case or a murder. Madgaon police are investigating the case. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.